Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. So hello guys, how are you and welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve a question, but we will not solve a question, we will see what is mean by escape sequence character. A special type of character is called escape sequence character. It is a simple definition of escape sequence character. So with the help of writing a code, we will discuss what is escape sequence character and why we use escape sequence character, because escape sequence character is one of the most important and most useful and most necessary topic for us. So we will write first of all in teacher main. As we know that this library stdio.h is a library. This library give us some function like printf, scanf, and then in teacher main we were used to in teacher main for first execution, and then we will say what is why we use escape sequence character. If I say printf Pakistan and I want to write also India, it is not new to you, it is not hilarious and not a very difficult case. I know you understand this topic amazingly and very best way. When I run this program, as we know that Pakistan and India is printed, so in our output display Pakistan and India is display, India is printed. If I want to print India in next line and Pakistan in next line, so what is the purpose of this program? So if I run this program, see what happened. Pakistan and India is printed. If I want to print India in next line, you and then for next line, if I use another printf function, so Pakistan and India is printed in next line, in different line. This program is not working very well and very best way. When I run this program again time, see Pakistan and India is not printed in next line. So I know you understand why India is not printed, because printf means print. When our compiler print Pakistan, so compiler going to printf and compiler also print India. So compiler is not print any space or any next line. If I want to use a next line, so with the help of escape sequence character, we should know /n is used for printed new line. This /n is working just like a enter button. When I run this program, oh sorry guys, again I'm so sorry. I know your time is so less, your time is so important. Pakistan and India is printed in next line. So I say you one thing, and this thing is, with the help of special character we were able to print new line. In escape sequence character, a lot of special character we want to use. First of all I declare /n. The work of /n is just like enter button. Print a new line or print a new line. The work of escape this character is printed new line. So another escape sequence character is /v. Sorry guys, /v. Print vertical line. Another escape sequence character is // used for comment. In previous video we were discussing in detail what is the comment, what is multiple comment. If you can't know what is mean by comment, what is mean by multiple comment, go to my previous video and see. So another escape sequence character is divide multiply or /multiply sign, star sign. It is used for multiple comment. It is used for multiple comment. So single comma parent single comma. Single comma is similar to single comma. Double comma is similar to double comma. Similarly, working just like backspace or remove spaces. In this case, I want to use multiple command. For example, divide, multiply, and divide, multiply, and multiplying, divide. This is a multiple command. With the help of multiple command, our compiler not execute and not read this whole program, because this is only for us to understand this topic. If I write in this case \b and run this program, see what happened. Uh, this is my phone problem. Sorry guys. So sorry. I'm so sorry guys. So see guys, if I run this program, n is removed. C P A K I S T A N. N is removed. Why n is removed? With the help of slash b. This escape sequence character working just like a backspace button. If your backspace button is not working efficiently, so you use slash b in C language or in programming language. So I say you one another function is slash v. If I print slash v, Pakistan and India is printed vertical way. Similarly, I want to use slash t tab. The work of slash t is working just like a tab button. When you enter tab button, two spaces is printed, two spaces is written, two spaces is right. So Pakistan, after write Pakistan, most two or three spaces is printed and India is right. So I hope you understand this topic. I say you one thing. If I want to write in this case, for example, Pakistan's, so when I run this program, Pakistan and India, oh I'm so sorry guys, most of the cases my software is not for Pakistan is printed. If I want to use in this case double comma and I run this program is giving me error because our compiler can't understand this double comma is started in this area and this is double comma is closed in this area or in this area. So our compiler is confused and I want to print slash double comma. So if I run this program, double comma is also printed. Pakistan's India. In character variable, if I say char, for example, I want to print, for example, single comma a is equal to, so our compiler is confused, this single comma is closed in this area or in this area, so we use slash single comma and our compiler is understand our user is want to print slash or single comma. For example, if in this case I write %c comma a and when I run this program, single comma is printed, India is printed. I know you can't understand this topic very efficiently and very best manner, so I want to understand you this topic with best way. So I use only a printf function and I remove all the thing. I write in this area new line. The work of slash n is printed new line. And the work of slash v is printed vertical line. Slash v. These two cases you were used most of the time. If I run this program, I'm so sorry guys, this is my mistake. If I run this program, new line, vertical line, new line is printed, and when vertical line is printed in vertical way. So I hope you understand this topic. If I write in this case tab slash t, when I run this program, see what happened. New line is printed, vertical line is printed, tab is oh my god, oh I'm so sorry guys. In this area I want to write slash. When I run this program, new line printed, vertical line printed, tab is printed. So When you use escape sequence character, you want to use first of all slash and then you use special character. For example, you want to parent double comma वो और parent tab, so you use percentage t. Parent slash new line, so you use percentage n. I explain you this topic again time. For new line, oh I'm so sorry guys. This is my phone problem, don't worry guys. When I run this program, new line is printed, but an extra line is also printed. See, new line is printed and above of the page. When I use selection, a new line is printed and new line word is printed. First of all, line is printed, blank line, and then slash n is printed. So I want to use selection again time. When I say vertical line, when I run this program, in vertical way, vertical line is printed. If I remove slash n in this area, I see what happened. Vertical line is printed in vertical way. After slash n is printed, new line is printed, spaces is printed, and vertical line is printed. I hope you got it my point, you understand my point. See the purpose of this topic. This is very important topic. Slash n enter button or print new line, slash v print vertical line, double slash comment, slash star multiple comment, slash single comma print single comma, slash double comma print double comma, slash b backspace for use backspace, slash t for use step. I hope you got it my point. Similarly, slash b is one of the most important topic. If your backspace button is damaged and you want to print slash b and you want to remove e, so you use slash b. And when I run this program, line see new line, e is removed. The spelling of line is line, but e is removed, lin, lin is become. So I hope you understand this topic. Take care of your life guys. This is very simple and very easy program. Practice yourself again and again time. And I say you one thing, go to Google and search escape sequence character and find lot of escape sequence character. Most of the escape sequence character I am not telling you. This is very, most of the escape sequence character is very important, but I am not telling you. I say you one thing, if you want to print slash, so if you want to print in your printf function slash, so you use double slash, and when you print this program, after new line single slash is printed. If you want to print two slash is not printed. If you want to print a 2 slash, write 4 slash and 2 slash is printed. This is very little thing, but most important thing. I know you understand this topic. Easiest way, best way. Take care of your life guys. Allah Hafiz, bye bye. See my program, see my function, see this topic, see escape sequence character. Allah Hafiz guys, bye bye.